Hi, welcome to another GA4 session. In today's session, I'm going to discuss user matrices in GA4. In GA4, you have different user matrices from active users, total users, new users, and returning users. Let's understand these user matrices with a simple example. Before going into the examples, let's understand what is new user. A new user is nothing but a user comes to your website or app, trigger first open or first visit will be considered as a new user. Returning user is nothing but a user have previous session will be considered as a returning user. Active user, any user have a first open or first visit or engage session will consider as an active user. Engage session is nothing but any users who meet 10 seconds or open 2 or more web pages or screens will consider as engage session. That is how engage session, when engage session is met, you will be considered as an active user. Total users, any users who visit your website, trigger any event on your website will consider as a total users count. Hope the definition of new user, returning user, active users, total users is clear. Let's see the example. Let's take a timeline on a website or a mobile, and we will consider a time frame to measure 28 days, 4 weeks. Let's say within timeline, a new user comes to your website, which is marked on the red dot. He will be having a first open or first visit on your mobile or app. He will count it as a new user. He won't be counted as a returning user because he won't have a previous session before that visit. Active user, since he is having a first open or first visit, he will be counted under the active user. He will be counted under total users because he will trigger an event on this visit. Let's go to a user who is coming back again after a visit. Earlier he have visited long time back. Again he is coming back within the time frame where we are measuring, which is marked on the start. He is coming back. He won't be counted as a new user because he won't have a first open or first visit. He will be counted as a returning user because he will have a previous session. Then the active user, since he doesn't have a first open or first visit, he will move to the next condition to check engage session. If he meets the engage session condition, he will be put at unactive user, otherwise he won't. We will move to the total user. Since he is triggering any event, a single event on the website, he will count it under total user. Hope this clarifies the user matrices on GA4. Let's catch up on another video. Thank you.